Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the currency in the Vueling Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button. And then look for the Currency section and click on that. And here you can set the currency that you want to use in this application. So just click on the one that you want and your currency is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.